Hey everybody, how's it going today? Well, I decided to buy a Vevor diesel heater just so I could see what it would do. And I set it up in my shed as just a test. And here's so far what it looks like. And this thing is blowing some heat out. I mean, it's hot, very hot. I'm pretty impressed. Got the muffler going outside, air intake outside. It's not crazy loud either, as you can hear it. Got the fresh air intake there, muffler. A lot of heat coming out of that. So yeah, if you don't have one, I'd say go get one. But the next step is to install it in our camper, because we're getting ready to sell our house and buy some property in Tennessee. Currently right now we're up near the Canadian border in New York. But that's the next step, is to get some property in Tennessee. And I'll be documenting everything I can here on YouTube for you guys. Thanks for watching.